Hi, we're at CTE 2023 at the Horn USA booth. My name is Adrian Noonan. I'm a technical specialist. I've been with the Horn for a year and a half now. I'd like to take you guys around, show you a handful of some new products. We're going to be starting with the broaching. Here we're looking at a broaching overview. Horn offers two different broaching systems, a 117 system and then an N105 and 110 series system. The S117 broaching system is going to be a broaching insert like you see here that then bolts onto the face of a holder like so. This system is used typically on larger diameters. We also offer the N105s and the N110s as a smaller ID, typically shorter in length but able to reach into smaller areas. Here you'll see that we've got a part with some external splines. These have been broached. On the inside, there's a hexagon and then some standard keyways on the inside of this over here. We also offer some chamfering, square broaching, as well as hexagon broaching as standard options. One thing that we've been getting more into and quoting a lot more of has been progressive spline broach. What this is, it's going to have two roughing teeth and a finishing tooth, sometimes more or less depending on the application. And what it does is it allows your roughing teeth to rough out a spline tooth for the finishing tooth to have less work. So after you get past your finished pass on the roughing teeth, your finished tooth is able to get through the part a lot quicker. This is not a standard product. This is something that's offered as a made-to-order, but we have been doing a lot more of that. Another newer product that Horn has recently introduced has been some of our narrow width slot milling cutters. This is a very good series that has been gaining a lot of traction recently because we can go to widths as small as 8 thousandths or 0.2 millimeter. You'll also notice something like this works really well when cutting those narrow grooves and collets. There are many applications for this. Standard coatings include AN and RC 25s, work really well in steels, some hardened steels, and as well as stainless. Uncoated options available for your non-ferrous. These inserts will locate at the end of a carbide arbor, also offered in steel. Those are in both metric as well as inch size standard arbors. Another product I'd like to introduce is our form boring line, which is available on our 117 insert system. Some of the benefits to form boring is instead of having three separate tools to make all these different forms, you can have this on one. Of course, that's going to free up pocket space on your machine as well as reduce cycle time. This is offered on a rotating technology as shown here with a circular holder. We also offer this on a square shank option for external forming, grooving. A lot of this stuff is going to be made to order, customer specific, but we've had a lot of success with this system in the past years, and it's really starting to take off. A lot of times when people hear the name PH Horn, they think of internal grooving. One system that we have had for some time now is the Super Mini system. We also have the big brother to the Super Mini, the Mini system. We're introducing a new carbide grade to both of these systems, SG3. SG3 is an aluminum, titanium, chromium, silicone nitride coating that works really well on huffer materials above 32 Rockwell C. We have some new sintered chip forming geometry available on our Mini series. This has worked really well for customers that are struggling to break the chip inside of tight bores. With this new sintered forming geometry, we're able to break that chip a lot easier, or at least form the chip so that it doesn't result in a nest. Those are some of the featured products that we are showing here at CTE 2023 in the Horn USA booth. If there's more that you would like to learn about Horn product, please feel free to visit hornusa.com. Thank you.